Parents who love the Lord, we have been taught and we understand that we must do as the Lord commands. We are as the army of the land. We have been taught in our youth, and we will be the Lord's missionaries to bring the world His truth. Yes.
Meron pa yan! Second verse.
Meron pa.
Second verse.
Rendition mo ng as.
As sisters in the...
Okay, yan. Next. More.
More. Master, put your shoulder to the wheel.
That's what it is.
When you stop, can you sing?